Hello teacher, my name is Andrea, and in this video I want to share some recommendations on the correct use of technology in the classroom to engage and motivate students. I will start by mentioning the main ideas of the videos. Then I will compare them, and finally I will have my suggestion for a better use of ECT in education. The main idea of the peer review is to highlight the importance of integrating technology in the classroom as a tool to improve learning and student participation. It showed an example of how teachers can use interactive applications and online resources to make classes more dynamic and attractive. On the other hand, the main idea of the second video focuses on best practices for the use of technology in the classroom. Highlight the need for enjoying time for teachers. It also mentioned how technology can personalize learning, adapting to the individual needs and each student. We will move on to the comparison and contrast of the both videos. Similarities. Both videos agree that technology is an essential to improve learning in the classroom. They also mention that the effective use of technology can increase students' motivation and engagement. Difference. While the first video focuses more on practical examples of how to use technology, the second video puts a greater emphasis on ongoing teacher training and personalization of learning, and as a final point to achieve a good integration of ETC in the classroom. I think it is essential that teachers receive timely and enjoy training on technologies and pedagogical methodologies. On the other hand, it is as important as a foster an environment of collaboration and experimentation, where teachers can share their experiences on resources. Technology is an additional tool, which is an integral part of the teaching and learning process, adapting to the needs and learning styles of each student. Thank you very much, teacher.